Nestle Crunch.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody.
Hey man, am I driving okay?
You did. You got it, bud.
My 2 kitty cats, Muffin. Oh! This nigga just hit me in my.
Yeah.
Charging!
Really? I think we have a problem.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
You say hi?
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Did hers get her cast off? Look, she. Oh, why'd you do that?
What?
No. No. No.
I made you into a burrito. Oh, really? You don't even like burritos? You sound like a dog.
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses. You right to jail.
Did you enjoy your bath? What? You look so handsome now. Okay, you do kind of look evil.
Face it, Spencer, you got played. Beth will pull one over on you. I told you he was a genius, but on the plus side.
Travi Caddy.
Straight up. Okay. Okay.
There's no milk in there, I promise you. Please stop.
Do you want to brush?
Apparently, if you give a cat an egg, they protect it because it's fragile.
Our new kitten is a terrorist.
Your bed is here, and there's no need for you to be in there.
What are you doing? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my. You. What? That's a 2.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
Why won't he let go? Because he got it.
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses. You right to jail.
Wrigley. Give me. That is 2 times this week you've gotten into the pantry and grabbed the Oreos. Come on.
Thor, which one do you want? Oh. Thor.
Just move them closer to them.
Which one would you like? That one? Purple it is.
The cat is meowing. And there's this. That. Where is it? Where is it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
How do you not know what you're looking for?
Because I don't know. You said look. So I'm looking. What am I looking for? Isn't that funny? What am I looking for? I still don't see it. Am I supposed to look down or up? It's not fucking funny. Stop recording me because I don't know. What am I looking for? I'm not looking.
Look.
You got a fucking kid?
Oh, you think I'm gonna stand up on this? Nah.